How to log in to Flybuys account. So if you want to log into Flybuys account, then what you need to do is first open up your browser. Once you open up your browser, you just need to simply go with the search, and under search, you need to search for Flybuys. Once you've searched, go with the first search, which will take you to the home page. Once it takes you to the home page, now you just need to simply go with sign in, which is on the upper right, to sign in or log into your account. So if you want to sign in or log into your Flybuys account, then first you need to enter your email address or Flybuys number or username. So I'll be entering email, and after that you need to enter your password. But if you don't remember your password, you can go with forgot my password, and then you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember, then go with the password and enter your password, and you can go with show and you can see your password, and after that go with sign in, and you will be signed in or logged into your Flybuys account. But if you don't have an account, you can simply go with create a login and you can create your account. So that's how you can log in or sign into your Flybuys account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.